The Worthington Industries SmartLid is revolutionizing the remote tank monitoring industry and saving you time and money. As the first of its kind, SmartLid was designed with fuel technicians in mind, offering easy installation and unbeatable signal strength for every tank in your fleet. Powered by Otodata's industry-leading monitoring technology, the SmartLid monitor features dual SIMs and dual cellular technologies for optimal signal strength and coverage. Paired with 15-year battery life, an easy-to-use dashboard, a customer-facing application, and automatic updates, SmartLid was designed to accommodate rapidly changing technologies. With the monitor situated in SmartLid's durable polypropylene lid, it is concealed and protected from external elements while offering consistent placement every time. The all-in-one system can accommodate vertical and horizontal above-ground tanks as well as underground tanks. Our SmartLid is quick and easy to install, requiring little to no training. That means faster installations on more tanks with less frustration.
Look for something that was universally used, easy to install, cost-effective, and something that is reliable. And those things that I mentioned are all the things that the SmartLid has and offers us. And that's why we're very pleased with it.
Now, with Worthington's new Hardware as a Service program, we're making scaling up your fleet even easier and more affordable. Purchase your lids now and finance your monitors over 84 months. Consider SmartLid when you look to optimize your fleet. To learn more about our line of SmartLid monitoring solutions, visit worthingtonindustries.com/smartlid.